changed my answering machine. And now that I'm alone, 'cause right now it says that we can't come to the phone. And I know it makes no sense, 'cause you walked out the door. It's the only way I hear your voice anymore. It's ridiculous, it's been months. For some reason I just can't get over us. And I'm stronger than this. Enough is enough. No more walking around with my head down. I'm so over being you, crying over you. And I'm so sick of love songs. So done with wishing you were still here. Sick of love songs, so sad and slow. So why can't I turn off the radio? Gotta change that calendar I have. It's March, July 15th. Because since there's no more you, there's no more anniversary. I'm so fed up with my thoughts of you and your memories. How every song reminds me of what used to be. That's the reason I'm so sick of love songs, so tired of tears, so done with wishing you were still here. And I'm so sick of love songs, so sad and slow. So why can't I turn off the radio?
Be honest, girl, how many tears you let hit the floor? How many bags you packed just to take them back? Tell me that. How many years are ours, but no more? If you let me side of your world, there'll be one less lonely girl. Oh, no, saw so many pretty faces. Now all I see is you.
Wasn't married 14th of February. Now one of them spent with you. How many dinner dates at dinner plates and he didn't even touch his food? How many torn photographs saw you take it back? Tell me that couldn't see an open door with no more. If you let me side of your world. Oh, no, saw so many pretty faces. Now all I see is you. It's gonna be one less lonely girl, one less lonely
you first. I'll show you what you're worth. You let me inside your world. There's gonna be one late lonely girl. Thank you so much.
Before I play this next song, I need everybody to put one finger in the air. When I say Justin, y'all say Bieber. Justin, Justin. When I say one, y'all say time. One, one.
Come on, everybody. Me plus you.